So this will be a short video on how to set up your domain on Cloudflare. I'm using Cloudflare here because I like the extra layer of security you'll get and the metrics and stuff, which is very good in Cloudflare, also in the free version. So you could point your domain directly from your domain registrar to your static web page if you wanted to. I'm going to use Cloudflare. So this is an optional step. So this is the site you will be starting on when you've logged into Cloudflare. Then we can put in our domain, the domain that we're going to use. So in my case, this will be valueworks.com. And yeah, we need to use the root domain. I'm going to use the free plan. So, and now you get this review of your DNS records, which Cloudflare did. It looked at them up, tried to figure out where you have them today. And as you can see here, I have them at, I know I have them at Namecheap, but what this is saying at DNS1 at register services at Namecheap. So those will need to be changed to point to Cloudflare instead. This is what Cloudflare put forth here. So this is the steps you need to go through to be sure that the pointing of the DNS from your registrar to Cloudflare can be done. So as said, I have a Namecheap as my DNS registrar right now, so I'm going to copy the name of the name servers from Cloudflare. Then I'm going to go in here in Namecheap and find the DNS settings for ValueWorks. And here I'm going to find my name servers, which are here, and put in custom DNS, and then I'll paste in the name server from Cloudflare, and I'm going to copy the other one also, doing the same. So I'm going to remove this domain redirect just to be sure. And then I'm going to approve the new name servers. Now going back to Cloudflare, it will take a while before this is going through. It can take up to 48 hours, 24 to 28 hours. We're going to check. And for now, we'll wait until this has been done, and then we'll continue on. So now, approximately 1 hour later, I got an email from Cloudflare that the name servers are pointed to Cloudflare now. So let's look at that. So here is the result in Cloudflare. So as we can see now, my domain is registered. It is active. Security inside is enabled. I'm on the free plan. Let's look a little further here. So yeah, so as such, this is now ready for us. So if you liked the video, please like and subscribe. And besides that, have a good one.